In this video, we compare four of the most popular generative AI platforms: ChatGPT, Bard, Claude, and Perplexity. So let's get started. As a side note, all of the links to the resources presented in this video can be found in the description below. Plus, if you haven't already, I highly recommend you watch part 1 of this series, where we discuss everything about ChatGPT. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you which platform is the best overall. With that out of the way, let's begin with the second platform. As ChatGPT gained a majority of public attention, Google responded in February 2023 by unveiling its own AI chatbot called Bard. Google was previously utilizing Palm 2 to power Bard's performance. But to compete against ChatGPT, Google released and rolled out Geminipro on December 6, 2023 to replace Palm 2, which outperforms OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Turbo in 6 out of 8 benchmarks, including for math and language understanding. Similar to the previous section, let's discuss Bard's model size. But considering our previous mention of recent copyright lawsuits involving generative AI, companies including Google are reluctant to publicly release the specification of their AI models. Currently, there is no accurate online information about Geminipro, so as an alternative, I asked Bard, what is the estimated parameter size of Bard with Geminipro? Bard responded by saying the exact parameter size of the specific Geminipro version used in Bard remains confidential information. While Google disclosed the parameter size of the standard Geminipro at around 750 billion, the version powering Bard may differ due to potential fine-tuning or adjustments. Not entirely sure where Bard got this information, but it's currently the best answer available. Next, Google doesn't clearly state the token limit for Bard. But considering Bard is powered by the Geminipro API, which is documented as having a combined input and output token limit of 32,760, and even Bard emphasizes the token limit doesn't differ between its chatbot platform and the API. So assuming Bard gave a rounded token value, this limit still exceeds every ChatGPT model currently available. With APIs in mind, explaining details regarding the Geminipro API is beyond this video's purpose. So if you're interested in learning more about what powers Bard, there are several resources linked in the description below. Currently, Google only offers a free version of Bard. The free plan allows users to send an unlimited number of messages per day, which is the same as ChatGPT's free plan. However, this may soon change. According to an Android developer, Google appears to be working on an upgraded version of Bard called Bard Advanced that will be available through a paid subscription to Google One. Bard Advanced seems to be powered by Gemini Ultra, the largest and most capable version of the Gemini models. Currently, there's no mention of price or usage limit, but considering Google appears to be positioning Bard Advanced as a rival to chatgptplus, the estimated cost and usage restriction are expected to be equal or slightly better than chatgptplus. Similar to ChatGPT, Bard has several advantageous features not found on other generative AI platforms. For instance, Bard integrates with Google apps and services like Gmail, Docs, Drive, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Flights, and Google Hotels. Based on Google's presentation, just mentioning a Google app or service in the prompt instructs Bard to generate a response using the specified app or service as its resource. For a more direct approach, you can start the prompt with the @ symbol, followed by the Google service name, to indicate the specific location Bard must use. Next, Bard is the only chatbot with the ability to fact-check responses directly within its user interface. Just select the Google icon after a response, and Bard uses Google's search engine results to double-check the accuracy of its response. Once the search is complete, Bard highlights the correct information in green and incorrect information in orange. By clicking on any of the highlighted sentences, you can discover the source's website and a summary obtained from the Google search. Equally important, it is worth noting that Bard has an edge over other platforms in terms of internet access. Unlike ChatGPT, which requires a subscription to access integrated browsing, Bard offers access to the internet for free. Also, GeminiPro's knowledge cutoff date is early 2023, which means Bard is one of the most up-to-date models currently available. While Google is continuously improving Bard's capabilities, it's crucial to identify this platform's current limitations. Specifically, Bard prioritizes safety and reliability over accuracy, so fact-checking is not automatic. Users need to take an extra step to verify the information provided, which can be seen as an inconvenience. Another disadvantage, compared to models trained on broader and more diverse datasets, Bard's responses may be less imaginative or sophisticated in comparison to ChatGPT. Lastly, unlike chatgptplus, which provides a wide range of plugins and custom GPTs, Bard currently lacks the same level of customization or specialized functionality for specific tasks beyond its Google services. Here's a chart for Bard's current specs. Be sure to watch part 3 of this series to discover the details for the remaining generative AI platforms. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you'll never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.